Hi friends, so we have new questions. That question is reverse recursive function to check even odd. So we have already done with the check even and odd. The given number is even or odd. But now, some day before, one interviewer asked they need to check even odd using recursive function. Okay, so for that we have make these questions and how it will work. I will show you. I am putting debugging here. I will put debugger here in definition parts and we'll see how it is working. Then I will define. Okay, so I have executed. Okay, so I will run it. And so we came to the inter part. Okay, here is checking the input. Earlier video I did not take the manual input. Now it is the in dynamic input I have taken. So once I will enter the value, then it will hit to the that program. So next step, they will ask input or they will ask to enter. See here down is came enter value. Until we give the value, it not go to the next step. So here I will give the some value, suppose 8, and once I will put the enter, it will hit. Okay, 8. See here came the 8. That input taken by the that variable. So that is 8. Okay, so next 8 came to the function even odd function, and then num what is 8. Then they will call where will go this step line number 10, it will go to the line number 2. So it's came line number 2 and check the conditions. So first condition num if 8 equal to 0 false. It's come elif 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 means suppose if means yadi that item either true or false. If you have some probability it might be true and false, then it will go the elif I if you are sure that item will not be the true or false, then it will go the else part. Okay, so now it will come to the elif num equal to 1 false, it will return false. Then it comes to the else part and call the reference function and checking num minus 2, 8 minus 2, what is that? 6. Now the 6 will return to the function. Then again it will check for the 6. Okay, now checking 6 is equal to 0, no. 6 equal to 1, no. Then again it comes the functions and it's minus item minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Then it will reduce the value 2. Why it is 2? Because we need to even number. Okay, then okay again next 4. Now it will run with 4 and minus 2. Now it will run with 2 and it will check minus 0. It is returning 0 to the definition. Okay, now again it will check 0 0 or are going to the returning to the function and it came to the definition and print it is even number. Okay, now I will check with okay, this is printed to the even number. Now I will check with the odd number. Okay, again I will put the debugger and execute it. Input, they asking the input. Okay, so here I will put the 7. Someone thinking why it is not 3 digits, so I put the 23, but the iteration will be more. Okay, so you have to stand watch what happened. So I put it 23. No, it will go to the definition, it will match each and every, and it will do minus 2 for the everyone. So once it will do minus 2, it will reduce by two item each time, and it reach to the 1 till 1. Okay, then if it will not equal to 0, then it will be the what? It will be the false. So now we are checking it. Okay, so you can see that definition of 23, first 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5. How it is working step by step. It's reducing each time, it reducing the 2, and it will reach the 1. And once it is reached the 1, they will return value false and come to the elif part and now returning the value false. And once it reaches the false, it will print the odd number. Okay, so I hope you have get some knowledge on the how it is working. And nowadays for experienced people, they will ask this type of question, even freshers also, but mostly they will ask for the experience. Okay, thank you for watching.